Okay guys, now let me show you how you can build your Google Scholar citation profile. So first of all, you need to go to this URL scholar.google.com. Then you need to sign in. In order to sign in, you should have a Gmail account. So you can use that Gmail account in order to log in. So let me give a try. So if you doesn't have a Gmail account, you can register for it. So once you have it, then you can log in. So for example, this is mine. Then you key in username and password. And you're going to see that now I already in the Google Scholar. So this is my face. So the Google Scholar citation profile is actually available here under my profile. So you can click on it. And for first timer, I think you're going to see a blank page in here. But don't worry, I'm going to show you later how you can add article or scholarly publication into your profile. First of all, once you enter into the system, you need to go here in order to update your personal profile information. So you can key in your name, your affiliation, area of interest, email for verification, homepage, and this one. Make sure that you tick this one in order to make my profile public so that other people can see your profile as well as it is searchable on the web. And bear in mind also about this one, area of interest. So you can key in as many as you like, as long as it can represent your areas of interest or your specialization. So once you finish, then you can click save. Once you say, you're going to see that your profile is already updated, and of course you can add your photo here. And this is the area of interest. If you realize, actually the area of interest, you can simply click and they're going to provide you with the list of other profile having the same area of interest with you. So for example, just now I click scholarly communication. So this is among the scholars having the same or similar area of interest with me. So they're going to arrange according to the citation number they receive. So somehow you can consider this list as the expert in your field. Okay. So make sure that you choose the right area of interest so that you can connect with other researchers in Google Scholar Citation Profile. Okay, next, if you scroll down, maybe you're going to have a blank page here. How do you want to add papers? You can simply click this plus button and they're giving you option between add article by group, add article per article, and the last option is you can add article manually. And later I'm going to show you how you can configure article update. So let me give a try with this one. You can give a try to add article by group. So if you click, by default, they're going to search according to your name. So let me give an example here. For example, if I do search according to my name, you're going to see Google Scholar will provide you with few options under the keyword that you key in. So this is how you can add article by group. So for example, if you identify any of the article belongs to you, for example, okay, this is, I just consider that this is my name. And by looking at the article that they have published, so I confirm that this is my article. So if you want to add them directly into your profile, you simply tick next to the name and all the articles belong to this name will be included automatically into your profile. So you simply tick and you can click this icon. All right. I'm not going to do this because this is not mine, but you can do to yourself as long as you verify the name as yours. All right. This is how you can add article by group. The second option, you can add article per article. You can click this one. Again, they're going to search by default according to the name. So you can simply choose from the list. If you don't want to search according to the name, you can also search according to the title of the article. So for example, looking for my article of under this keyword, so you just search for it, and basically Google Scholar going to search for you throughout the web, and as long as the article that you are looking for is indexed in Google, then that you're going to see it is available in the list. So once it is available in the list, then you can simply add them into your profile. For example, you find out that, okay, this is my article. You can even choose more than one. Once you tick them, then you can click this button. So let me give a try with this one. So I click this button, then they're going to be included into my profile automatically. Right. So that's the second option that you can use. So you can search for your article. And the last option, if you cannot find them on the web by group or per article, the last option that you can use is you can add article manually. So you just click this one. They're giving you an option between you can add manually your journal publication, conference, chapter, book, thesis, and so on. So you can key in the information manually, then you just tick this button, and the material that you add will be included into the profile. Because sometimes we find out that some of the material or scholarly publication is not published online. For example, it is in the form of physical books, conference proceeding, and so on. So for that material, you can simply add them manually. Okay, another thing, you need to click this one in order to configure article update. By default, Google Scholar will choose this one, automatically update the list. But I strongly suggest you to choose the second one, because if you choose the first one, what going to happen is every time Google Scholar identify any article on the web that they consider under your name, they're going to update into your profile automatically. So if you have a very popular name like Ahmad, Lee, John, and so on, so you're going to see um, Google Scholar going to update the article which is not belong to you. So I think it is better for you to choose the second one. They don't automatically update your profile. Rather, they're going to send you email before they update into the system. So you need to verify first, review, verify, confirm. Only then the article will be included into your profile. So much more better. Okay. So you just update the settings. All right. What else? So once you have added, suddenly, for example, you find out that you mistakenly added article which is not belong to you. For example, okay, this is not mine. So if you want to edit or delete it, you just tick next to the title, then they're going to provide you with option to delete. So you just click delete button. Then they're going to delete immediately. Okay. On the right hand side, they're going to provide you with this metric information, how many citation that you receive, the hash index, and also the I-10 index. And down here, they're going to provide you with co-author information. You can simply click edit in order to add or to delete them. And even you can search for new co-author for your article. For example, I'm looking for this specific researcher. So if you find out that this specific researcher is your co-author, simply click this add button. Then they're going to appear in here. So I think up to this point, this is the important information that you need to know about how you can build your Google Scholar citation profile, especially for first timer. Thank you.